Today we will talk about Harry Roundtree, a prolific illustrator of the early 20th century. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Harry Roundtree, a notable figure in the world of illustration, was born in New Zealand in 1878. His early years in New Zealand were marked by a growing interest in art and illustration, a passion that would shape his entire career. At the age of 23 in 1901, Roundtree made a pivotal decision to move to London. His move was driven by his desire to immerse himself in the vibrant art scenes of England and the further his career in illustration. Upon his arrival in London, Roundtree quickly established himself as a talented and versatile illustrator. His work began to appear in numerous periodicals, books, and advertisements, earning him a reputation for his distinctive style and creativity. Roundtree's illustrations were characterized by their vividness, attention to detail, and a scene of whimsy that captivated both children and adults alike. One of Roundtree's most significant contribution was the field of children's literature. He illustrated a wide range of children's books, bringing stories of life with his imaginative and colorful artwork. His illustration for classics such as Alice Adventures in Wonderland and The Wind in the Willows are particularly relevant. Roundtree's ability to capture the essence of the characters and the whimsical nature to these stories endeared him to readers and cemented his place in the world of children's illustration. In addition to his work in children's literature, Roundtree was also a prolific contribution to various magazines and periodicals of the time. His illustration graced the pages of popular publications such as Punch, The Strand magazine, and the Illustrated London News. These works often showcased his versatility as the adeptly handled a variety of themes ranging from humor and stares to more serious subjects. Roundtree's talents were not limited to books and magazine illustration. He was also a sought after artist in the field of advertising. His commercial work included posters, advertisement, and other promotional materials. Compans recognized the appeal of his engaging and visually appealing style, and his work was used to promote a wide range of products and services. His advertising illustration contributed to the visual culture of the early 20th century and demonstrated his adaptability to different artistic demands. Roundtree's artistic style was marked by its versatility and attention to detail. He was skilled in various mediums, including watercolor, pen, and ink and oil paints. His ability to create dynamic composition and his use of color and texture made his illustration and stand out. Roundtree's work often featured a scenes of movement and energy, drawing viewers into the scenes he depicted, whether illustration, a fantastical story, or a humorous cartoon. His work was always lively and engaging. Harry Roundtree's legacy as an illustrator is enduring. His work has continued to be appreciated and celebrated long after his passing. Roundtree's illustrations have influenced subsequent generations of artists and illustrators, and his contribution to children's literature in particular have left a lasting impact. His ability to bring stories to life through his art has ensured that his work remained beloved by readers of all ages. Harry Roundtree's career as an illustrator was marked by creativity, versatility, and a distinctive artistic style. From his early days in New Zealand to his rise prominence in London, Roundtree's made significant contribution to the field of children's literature, magazine illustration, and commercial art. His legacy as a prolific and talented illustrator continues to be celebrated, and his work remains a testament to the power of visual storytelling. Harry Roundtree's work has left a lasting legacy in the world of illustration. His contribution to children's literature have continued to incite new generation of readers. The charm of creativity of his illustration have made themes timeless, ensuring that they remain beloved long after their initial publication. Roundtree's impact extends beyond children's books. His work in magazines and postcards contributed to his visual culture of his time, influencing both his contemporaries and future generation of artists. His ability to capture the imagination with his art has cemented his space as one of the great illustrators of the early 20th century.